I'll say a word, and you say the first thing that comes to mind. Pears. Nope, not figure skating. Nope, not earrings. Nope, not shoes. That's right, Charlie. Ginger snaps. I'm on a quest to find some of the best sides and desserts on the barbecue, and this one's sure to impress. This is a stuffed, caramelized pear that I'm gonna smoke and fill with spiced ginger snaps. Tip top off, nice and peeled. And I have a melon baller. You can use a spoon if you like, but this is really good to dig out the insides. Check it. This is a Bartlett pear, and they're great for this recipe because they're firm and meaty, and they'll hold up to some smoke and the grill. I just rub a little lemon on it so it won't go brown. Really rub it. This part is really fun. Toss them in white sugar. So now that the pears are coated in sugar, comes the adult portion of this recipe. You need a blowtorch, a metal pan. Kids, don't try this at home.
This is what you are.
Engage. Roger that. Caramelized pears. Engage. That looks amazing. I bet you never seen pears done like that. You can't have a ginger snap filling without some ginger snaps. Probably one of my favorite cookies. Yeah, they're crunchy, gingery, and it goes perfect with caramelized pears. So lots of ginger snaps into a plastic bag. Now that the torching's over with, bring the kids back because this part's really fun. Seal the bag, find something really cool to bash it with, and have fun. Bam, bam. That was fun. So once the ginger snaps are about the texture of coarse sand, all the bashing is finished, and we continue with flavor. A little bit of fresh grated nutmeg, clove and cinnamon. Not too much though, just a little grandmother's dash. And just to bump up the sweetness a little bit, just a little pinch of brown sugar, just a pinch. And because this is an adult dessert, a little bit of orange liqueur. It needs a little bit of vanilla. Next time you're using vanilla, go one step further. Get the vanilla bean. It's so much more flavorful. Nothing like it. There's a lot of pear caramel right here. Check this out. Oh yes, oh yes.
Yeah, it's the weekend in it. The rave ain't really a ring to
This looks perfect.
Grinning, surrounded by women, gonna take the stage bounce.
Wow! That's delicious. Let's stuff some pears.
We just wanna see your hands in the air when the beat drops. Nobody standing or staring.
I'm gonna up it one more time and smoke it. Let's do this. I have this really cool smoking trough on my barbecue. Start with a wet wood. It's gonna give you longevity, and the dry wood is gonna give you really nice smoke. And this is cherry wood. I just thought cherry, pears, smoke makes sense. And the perfect ratio for a smoke pouch or your smoking trough is about 3 wet to 1 dry. And that can go right in. So I'm cooking this at 220 degrees Fahrenheit. All the heat where the smoke is, and then no heat where the pears go. And I have a little perforated tray here. It just pops up the pears a little bit, gets them in the air, ready for smoke. Need a little extra liquid on there. Oh yeah. I can see smoke, that's a good thing. Close the lid, just a few minutes to get them a nice smoky flavor and just soft to the touch. Smells good. Oh yeah, look at those pears. Just a little kiss of smoke, and you know when they're done, just get a little knife, and if it goes in really easy, just like that, those pears are perfect. Sweet. And smoky. I just don't think sweet smoked pears with ginger snap filling is complete without a dollop of pillowy soft whipped cream. Do you? No. And just to finish it off, because I love it, a little bit of fresh orange zest. For dessert on the barbecue, that looks pretty fancy schmancy, but simple, guaranteed delicious. Awesome. Whoa. It's so good. There's so much flavor in the ginger snap, but the sweet pear, slightly smoked, it all makes a lot of sense.